The first race of the Triple Crown in Arlington has taken out one of the title contenders, that being Jordan Smith on the Triumph. If you haven't seen it yet, or if you missed the race, I'm sorry. Spoilers, deal with it. This is coming out the day after, so whatever. In the whoops, you can see that he loses a tail, starts going back and forth, ends up slamming his body into the face of another whoop right here, and he was out for a long time. I mean, commercial break, didn't show any of it, which I think they changed that. They don't show somebody who's down. Like they might show the crash as replay, but they don't show anything after it. And crazy enough, they actually took him out on a backboard. And I'm going to say this for my own opinion on this. I'm not a medical professional, but if somebody crashes in this sport at the speed they're going, at the, damage they're probably doing to themselves, you should definitely not have these guys walking away. I mean, last week you saw McAdoo walking after his crash, and it was absolutely insane. So good to them for this week to put him on a backboard, carry him off, put him on the cart, buggy, whatever you want to call it, and take him away. And as far as they said in the broadcast, he had been taken already to the hospital, supposed rib and or other side injuries. I mean, you can see he does have movement of his arms. That's good. Any sort of movement of the extremities is always a positive, but it sucks. Obviously, he was second in the points coming into this race and looked really good. That team is having the same problems that Pro Circuit is. I mean, 75% of their riders are now, who knows how badly injured. As far as any sort of updates, we will continue. I'm not going to say we because I'm the only person that runs this. I will continue to provide them as possible. So hopefully, knock on wood, good luck to him, prayers, whatever you want to do. And I don't know, any sort of updates I'll continue to provide. But tell me, did you like the Arlington Triple Crown? Do you like Triple Crowns in general? I personally do. I think they're, having all three races means something instead of just heats and whatever. I think it's a better format. But you guys tell me, comment down below, tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.